Look, I'm tired. I need my cup. I need my caffeine.
So?
Get out.
Nope.
I need this cup.
What can this cup do that another cup cannot do?
Who cares?
Answer the question.
I don't have
But
to.
you do.
I will pour you
I'm
out.
unspillable.
Exit.
Enter.
Remove.
Replace.
Okay, this bag.
Reattach.
Who taught you how to speak?
Sesame Street.
You're not tired?
No, I'm wired.
This is your last chance.
Chance is a rapper.
The extreme tickling must. Will you get out? Are you going to get out?
Yeah, put some more salt up in there, because I know you salty as me right now. Yeah, get it on the floor. Get it on the floor. Don't come over here. Yeah, man, get your knees together. And stop coming out here looking at us.
Can you please put me down?
Do you want to hear my impression of Dora the Explorer?
No, please, God, not again. For the love
Hola, soy Dora.
Please, stop!
Can you say gato?
Yeah, how about a gato upon you?
We're gonna sword fight! Ching! Oh, my armpit stink! Yes, it does! No B.O., no B.O., no! Nailed it!
Boo.
Hey, Curtis, why don't you step outside and let me holler at you real quick, playboy? I'll be out here waiting.
Man, go home, Scotty.
You a hoe, Curtis.
Man, Scotty is weirding me out, man.
Oh, man. Curtis, I hurt myself out here. Come out here and help me, man. Please. Why you ain't come help me, Curtis? It's because you got your little human friends back here with the camera? Then bring your ass outside. Get these fresh skibbity paps.
Hi, officer. I'm so sorry for speeding.
What is your first name?
Frida.
And last name?
Go, ma'am.
You are free to go, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
How the fish looking? Let me see. I found the fish, y'all. I found the fish. I found the fish. I found the fish. I found the fish. We found fish. We found fish. We found fish. We found fish.
Gordon, man, hey, what you digging?
Randall, just get your paws out of here. Randall, just you threw dirt in my face. Just mind your business, bro.
I'm saying, like, if you use a shovel,
You can just ease back. Ease all the way back. Listen. This is how I live, bro. I don't just
listen,
do this
Gordon, I've been
for
burying bones. I can give you some tips.
Oh, Lord, Father God, Randall, stop. Go find some business, man. Go get walked.
Let's see. Whoa! Jenny! Look at... Oh! Where's my foot? Why are you laughing? What the hell is this thing? Oh my god, no, he's going to kill me! Oh, son of a catnip! Focus, I can do this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, almost. Let's try a different spot. Let's try it over here. Here we go. Okay, no, that's not working. Okay, one last time. No, fuck it.
What if this time, instead of attacking him physically, I attacked him emotionally? Yes, come here, mouse. I love you. See you tomorrow. What the fuck was that? What is this? What does this mean? What are we? Do you like? Are we friends? Come back. What's tomorrow?
Yo. Hey, Evan, what are you doing in here? Oh, you taking a nap? Okay.
Huh?
Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình, tình tang tang tình tang tang tang.
Go. No, this is my cheeseburger. My cheeseburger. Get down, get down. Little shit. This is what I deal with every time I eat. Negan steals my food. You'd think I'd be a thinner human being with this little shit around. God damn it!
I'm a sunshine. are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take me to January.